So during my full review of the Mitsubishi Destinator, one of you guys put a comment right here from Nando Crow 4425. Could you compare this one versus the Expander, please? So pag mga gantong mga comments or questions, lalong-lalo na may please pa, ginaganahan talaga ako. So I made a full review, guys, for you. Mitsubishi Destinator versus Mitsubishi Expander Cross. It's now up on the channel. I believe it's a very great comparison. Around 1.4 million pesos yung kanilang mga presyo. Right here, sasabihin ko na kaagad, mas gusto ko yung interior ni Expander Cross. But si Destinator, meron siyang malaking form factor, malaking gulong, malaking space. So super spacious din siya. But yun lang talaga, top of the line Expander Cross versus Destinator na base model. So what you're not gonna have with a base model Destinator is yun lang, fabric seats ka lang. More premium nga, like I said, si Expander Cross, yung feeling ng interior. But I can say that sobrang good enough na ng mga features ni Destinator base model para sa akin. Kung ako lang, medyo mahirapan talaga ako. So go ahead and watch my full comparison on my YouTube channel, and together let's decide together. Let me know what would be your choice on the comment section. So sana nakatulong.